Welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. We'll be showing the process how to apply for the Netherlands scholarship. This is at the Leiden University, and these are the Excellence Scholarship in Netherlands for master's degree. We'll show the full process for this. How do you apply at the Leiden University? And these scholarships are open for the session 2026-2027. We'll show the full process for this. Before that, let me remind you to subscribe YouTube channel Full Scholarships. If you are new here for the first time, please do subscribe. If you already subscribed, just like and share this video. Do also follow us on Instagram page here. Our username is Full Scholarships. This link is available at the YouTube video description. You can find out any of the video descriptions. Links are given in the respective description. Also, in the about section of the YouTube, you can see our website fullscholarships.net or cashmanlook.com. And on Instagram, you can check the stories or highlights or directly message our team and ask for the link. Once you visit our website fullscholarships.net and you land on this page here, you can read about this scholarship. It's offering full-time program for master's degree, and you can enroll in this program, and it will offer you the excellence scholarship of around 19,000 euros. This will cover tuition fee, and this is a grant of 19,000 euros, so you can avail this. And deadline to apply for this opportunity is December 1st, 2026, and this is one of the best opportunities for you to study your masters in Europe. And this Leiden University Excellence Scholarship LExS is the prestigious award that covers most of the tuition fee. Subjects that will be covered under this scholarship vary from archaeology to humanities, and it varies. You can see you can choose the preferred subject. Requirements for this particular scholarship: you need to be a non-European citizen, and if you already got masters offer from the university, you can still apply for this. And the requirements will be, so all the programs will be covered except the masters at masters in law, so LLM won't be covered in this scholarship. Rest all the courses. And you can see there are 5 levels of awards, so you can see 10,000, 15,000. So any of these fellowships can be availed by you. So maximum they will provide is 19,000 euros, so rest you can get these amounts as well. There's a process of nomination. So by the end of November, or by the end of the November, you need to complete the application, and then it will be under scrutiny, and your application will be evaluated. Scroll down, and then you can see click here to apply. Click on this button, and once you tap on that, it will open the official Leiden University Excellence Scholarship. This is the LExS scholarship, offering all courses except the LLM and MSc program in law school. Rest all the programs are covered. So you need to apply for the admissions. If you have not got admission yet, you need to simply apply for admissions, and after submitting your application for the admission, return to the apply screen on the online application, click for scholarships, and this process need to be done through the credentials that will be provided after you submit the application. You need to submit admission form through the Studielink, and then you need to submit the official scholarship form through the university website. We'll show you that. Late applications will not be accepted. These are from previous alumni of the scholarship. Now scroll down here, you can see application process. Click on apply for the online admissions here. Tap on this option, admissions and application. So you have made your choice for one of the programs and you want to apply. So you can see bachelor's, masters. Tap on masters program here, and now masters program, you can see start your application and click on this. You need to part 1 study link, and second admission to the Leiden University. So the Leiden University official portal USIS. So this uh, process will be sent, this credential will be sent on your email once you submit the first part of the application. Start the first part, click on study in apply in study link, and click on go to study link here, and it will open the portal. Now for the first time users, if you're new here for the first time, you need to click on create an account here and simply sign up with the address, personal details, nationality, and passport. That's it. I already have done that part. We'll simply log in with the email and the password and click on login. Now it will send an authentication code on your email. So let me just go to the Gmail here, and we will receive this link. Maybe in spam it might go, but you will have to wait for it. Now you can see the authentication code. So 704329 704329. Click on login here and it will take you to dashboard here. Now go to study programs and click on add new enrollment in education institute. Filter out the Leiden University. You can see here. Tap on this. Level of the program. You can see. Select masters and you can see different masters program here. So except law, all the programs can be enrolled. So you can see law programs right now. You need to skip these so you can filter out the main course here. Full time, main language, English. You can see different. Let me go for the arts and culture or media, any of the subjects you wish. You can go. I'll go with the. Let me just choose one of the sample subjects here. Let me go with the chemistry. Select. This is non-law subject, and now select start date, Feb 2027. I am aware of that. Click on next. Some questions from your previous and new institution indicate which space line do you want to follow. Any particular research in chemistry. I'll go click on next question. Indicate which second specialization. So I don't wish for second. I'll just go with one specialization. You can go for. We'll keep date of the stats of registration through email and the study link. So you will answer. Click on next question. Now approve. Click on next question. Do you wish to receive information of about studying with a disability? So no, you can select yes and no, but click on save answers. Now tap on next. Agree terms and conditions here. Click on confirm. Your enrollment application is being reviewed. This may take a moment. You can see your details have been received by Studielink and will be sent to the education institution. And on submission, it will redirect it to this page here. Now you'll have to wait. You can refresh, and after maybe you can go to message section here. And now let me refresh this. You can see enrollment application sent to the education institution. So they have sent our application to the university. Now you'll receive credentials from the university for the SIS portal. Let me refresh this, and there also you can see what you need to do now is keep an eye on and in the study link actions. So go home. You can see program here. Click on show details. Any messages that you need to take an action will be on this. Any payments that may you need to fulfill the application fee will be on the payments overview. Every section, every message will be there, so you need to keep an eye on that. Rest in the email, you'll receive the credentials for the SIS portal. The first part that we already completed. So we have done part one. We done part one, and then we need to prepare for the scholarship. So you can see part one. Now part two, admissions to university. We have done this part as well, and now if you go for the submit online application, so you can see online application portal, you can finalize your application. Necessary documents you need to upload, that details will be sent to you on your email, so you need to wait for that. And once you receive credentials, log into that portal, submit documents, that's it. And in case you need any guidance on this, you can directly message our team on Instagram or through this chat support here, and that will be the help there, and they'll support you. Let me open this again, and you can see that is the process you need to apply through this official platform only. So you can refresh, and once you can see it might take few hours, and they will send you the credentials for the uni SS portal. So wait for that. and I tried to refresh it multiple times, but still not received yet. So let me just search this. This is the UniSS portal, and you can see this username and password will be sent on your email. So you need to activate that first, and then only you can log in here. So you can see activate account. There will be a student ID or number, and you can see username and password that you need to submit. These details will be in your email only. So once you submit the details, you activate your account, you can upload documents and submit the application fee if there's any, and then uh, apply for the scholarship as well. That's it. So it takes time sometimes, so you need to be patient about this. And in the meantime, just visit our website fullscholarships.net, tap on other scholarship options there, apply for them, and the guidance on the right hand side of the website fullscholarships.net. There's an Instagram, tap on this, it will take it to our Instagram page, but it will link this page as well where you click on, so that it helps us to track where you from redirected, where you've been redirected from, so that we answer your queries according to that link only. So that's it for today. I'm signing off of fullscholarships.net. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.